function I've ever attended.
It was really nice that I've been a part of this day where I met the culture with the god. Actually, Krishna ji been spending the complete life in the nature with the surroundings, and I'm lucky that my son has seen all this.
There is a really wonderful atmosphere. I can experience it.
There is an opportunity, you can go around, walk barefoot. So please try every possible way to connect to the Mother Nature and of course to the Lord Himself.
This is like the perfect combination of spirituality and fun and coming close to the ground. So we actually went and hugged the trees and felt them. So it was a really good experience. Perfect.
One of its own kind. We never have seen any such gathering being planned where we have, be in touch with the nature. We were playing, the games which we forgot in our childhood.
Most exciting thing that was today organized was tug of war and the
My favorite one is the tug of war.